What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, Maritimer channel. I do mostly things outdoors here. Get away from the old gaming systems. For anybody who's a existing subscriber, appreciate it. Thanks for clicking on my video. As you guys can see, if you're used to my channel, I'm just leaving my camp here in Nova Scotia. And with my father here, I'm on my Honda Africa, and my dad's on his Honda F6B. It's like a Goldwing type thing, cruiser. So yeah, we're going out for a little cruise today. We're gonna stop somewhere. So I think this is my third moto vlog. So yeah, we're gonna go for a little drive. Probably find somewhere to stop and eat. So if we do that, then I'll make it a ride and dine video. And that'll be episode 2. If you guys haven't seen the first one, go check it out. I didn't have a mic then, so. See if my buddy Adrian's home. So yeah, we're heading out. We're gonna head over to Masstown Market, grab some gas, and then hit the road. We came into Masstown through the back way, through Wentworth. It was a beautiful, beautiful drive. It's all mountainous, went by the ski hill, went by Foley Lake. It was a really, really nice ride. So now we're just heading out towards, I think it's called Great Village. We're gonna head out towards Spencer's Island. My dad said the roads there are pretty windy and curvy, so that'll be fun. So hopefully you guys stay with me and enjoy the video. Man, lots of really cool old things there in those two stores. Be awesome to stop in there. I'm a bit of a collector of old things. It's a fun fact about me. I love it. I love history, so any little items that are old, I don't know, I just think about the stories, like who had it before I got it type thing. I think I drive my girl crazy because I bring a lot of stuff home. I think they call it being a hoarder. I'm not that bad, but she says I am, so. So yeah, we're just cruising along here. I'm just really enjoying the day. It's beautiful, nice views. Look at that. It's 23 degrees Celsius. I think it's the first day of September 2019. So it's nice to still have some nice warm weather, and a lot of farming around here. It's pretty cool. They'll have little stands out at the end of the driveway, and it's kind of just, you know, the honor system. There's prices on corn or some sort of vegetables, and you just leave the money in the little jar that's there. So that's pretty cool to see. And I'm sure out this way they probably don't get a lot of people stealing or being greasy. So we're just coming over the hill. We're just getting to 5 Islands. This is 5 Islands. I think this is the park that my dad wanted to show me. 5 Islands, Nova Scotia. It's really, really pretty. There's all kinds of islands off the coast, hence the name 5 Islands. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say there's probably 5 of them. Oh, it feels good to stand up once in a while. I find after about an hour sitting on the seat, my ass starts to get sore. Oh yeah, nice little beach down there. Kayak exchange, that's where I bought my kayaks from, actually.
I thought it was up higher.
Oh, it's still nice.
What?
Still really nice.
Oh yeah. There's where we gotta go along there.
Okay.
We should go.
Well, I just had a little water break and a stop here at the 5 Islands Provincial Park. As you guys can see, there's all kinds of these basically islands straight up from the water out there. Hopefully it shows up on the GoPro. And they got a nice beach here and fishing, all kinds of stuff. Camping, obviously, hiking trails. It's a beautiful little park. Lots of people here too. Lots of kayakers. I seen the kayak exchange guys here. That's where I bought my kayak from. That's where I bought my tent from too. So we still got a little ways to go though, so we're probably gonna get back on the road right now and mosey on, I guess, as they say. I'll give you guys another view, seeing as everyone was so interested in your bike over mine last time. It's a really smooth bike. Figure once I start getting arthritis and can't get my leg over a seat, I'll buy one like that.
That's right.
Yeah, let's hit the road. All right. We are heading back out, heading out towards Spencer's Island. Hoping to find a spot to have a little bite to eat out there. This is a really beautiful park if you're ever in this area. 5 Islands Provincial Park, check her out. That's a beautiful, beautiful spot. Man, there's tons and tons of rivers. So nice. Really want to go just looking out over the, like, it's so nice, holy. As soon as we got into like the really nice, real steep, real twisty, my freaking GoPro battery died, and then there was no real good spot to pull off the road. So I missed most of it. So I don't know if we'll come back that way or not. But yeah, it was just a beautiful road back there. I think the only thing I could say would be like a small version of driving on the Cabot Trail in Cape Breton. Just beautiful views. Definitely would recommend somebody taking this road, especially on a motorcycle. Hopefully that wind's not too bad. Oh yeah, some fishing boats here. Oh man, this is just unreal. This guy fishing right from the dock. See all the big cliffs over there? Probably doesn't show up too good on the GoPro, but I guess we're gonna go try out the old Hook and Anchor restaurant.
Is this the place?
Looks like it.
I don't know.
We made her. Yeah. Just got to the Hook and Anchor. Gonna try her out. Is it gonna be as good as John's, you think, Dad?
Probably.
Just a little spot here. Really nice view. There's a big island out there too, eh, Dad?
Yeah.
Really nice
I don't know
cliffs.
what that, it's one of the 5 islands. I don't know what that one's called.
Oh, that's still part
Some
of it?
high though, aren't they? Man,
Yeah.
they are high.
Looks like, reminds me of Bell Island in Newfoundland.
Yeah.
Just comes right up out of the sea.
Yeah.
So we're both gonna get one-piece fish and chips because we got steaks back at the camp. So I'm gonna give her a try.
The steak will be good.
Oh yeah. That looks really, really good.
It is good.
You never even tried it yet, Dad.
Sean.
Fries are good.
Hungry.
Yeah, I know, I'm starved.
Alright. My sugar. Got a problem with that? No. When I don't eat,
Get right weak.
we wind right down. Can you eat?
It's really, really good. Really flaky, eh? Like it's like a light batter.
Moist too.
It's really good.
My beautiful guy.
I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna give it a rating once we're done.
What's that?
I'll give it a rating out of 10 like last time once we're done. Well, we just got finished up there. I thought it was pretty good. What do you think?
What, the food?
Yeah, pretty good, eh?
Yeah, it was good. I
Yeah.
enjoyed it.
Giving it a...
When you're hungry, you'll eat anything.
Yeah, get your earplugs in. You're yelling again. I give it like a 7.6 out of 10. What do you give it? Out of 10.
6.
Yeah. Dad goes 6, I go 7.6.
It's not homemade fries and stuff.
Yeah, I know. But yeah, we're gonna hit the road, and we're going back through that real windy road too, so that's good. So I missed it all on my GoPro because the battery died. So we're gonna get that on the way back. Well, we're taking off. Food was pretty good. I thought the fish was really good, light and flaky. The fries were good. We are gonna end up going back up that road the same way we came. So at least I'll be able to get a video of that because my GoPro died earlier. Be hard to beat this view. I mean, it's just beautiful here. This is where it starts getting pretty hilly and twisty. Man, oh man, just gorgeous. I just gotta watch it because I gotta keep an eye on the road. You can see the road circles and goes up here. It's really windy. It's dangerous, and I mean, if you go off the road, it's a far fall. So my dad's signaling there now. Drop her down a few gears. I'm sure glad we came back this way so I could get this. There you go. Look at that view. Oh man, the view that house would have. Just beautiful. Still stuck behind this truck. It's almost impossible road to pass on. At least the views are nice. Oh, it's just, I didn't get it on film back there, but my dad was up far ahead. He passed that big logging truck. I didn't have an opportunity to, so he was pretty far ahead of me. So I passed the logging truck motoring up the road, and sure enough, two cops come the other way, just flying with their sirens on. So Dad seen that too, but he was so far ahead, he got thinking that maybe I went off the road or something like that. So he turned around and was kind of, I think he was in a little bit of a panic. We both joked that I would, if I did something like that, I would have just ruined the trip. But yeah, we're all safe and sound. Gonna pop back into town here. Dad wants to fill up. I might as well too. I'm at half a tank. I'm good to get back to the camp for sure, but we'll go in and fill her up. Oh man, so just taking filled up in gas, or heading up this way. This is going to bring us right into the backside of Spring Hill, Nova Scotia. Then from there we can either get on the highway and head back to the camp, or take a few more back roads towards the camp. My dad was making fun of all of my pipes. He was like, he said, "Which plumber did you get to do all the piping on your bike?" And then he goes, "Oh, you must have in-floor heating in that thing now," and just give me a hard time. We're just getting here into downtown Spring Hill. She's a pretty small little town. And go eat at Fat Floyd's. Make a big donair there. All right, so we're just about back to the camp. Just about back to the camp there now. So I've gone 412 kilometers so far today. So that's pretty good, all the way from Moncton to here, then a big tour around. Pretty good trip. we're gonna head back to the camp. We're gonna get the charcoal going and grill up a few steaks for supper and definitely crack open a beer or two. Well, we made her back to the camp. Obviously, first thing we did, crack a beer. It was a good day, 450-ish kilometers. Just show you, I screwed up and laid it over. You can see like a little scratch there, and down here is a little mark, and then down there. But I'm glad those are there because it would have scratched my case, and this here would have hit the plastic for sure. But yeah, that was me just being an idiot. I was checking my phone. I didn't have my hands on the handlebars, and the bike started rolling and it got on the side, and then I had my phone in my hand, but by the time I reacted, it just plopped over. It sucked. Felt like an idiot, but no real damage, so it's not that bad. But yeah, so now probably just gonna have a beer, then we're gonna bugs are kind of bad. Just gonna have a beer, and then we're gonna get the charcoal grill going there. So see you guys in a bit. Well, we didn't have any fluid to light the coals, so just making a small little fire here. And with any luck, that'll get our charcoal going and be able to grill some steaks. Alright, fire's burned down. Threw on some nice maple. So yeah, we've got the maple on there. It's all burned down. I'm gonna throw the steaks on. Mine's marinated salt, pepper, ground garlic, and a little bit of soy sauce. Alright, supper served. T-bone steak. Got Greek pasta salad. Cooked pretty good, I'd say.
You never got.
Never got what?
I haven't seen Big Glen Trapper for a while either.
No, he was doing some, what was it, crabbing or something, maybe?
Oh. So I thought he was up Alaska or somewhere.
He was up. No, he's up northern Labrador. There's polar bears and stuff. He's got a good chance.
What's wrong with it? Oh, hoping this was on.
Yeah, see ya. Alright, it's the next morning there. Just got up, we had a little bacon and egg sandwich. Got the place cleaned up there. Dad just took off. I'm gonna pretty much lock everything up and hit the road. I'm gonna take the Amherst coastal trail back towards Moncton, so that's another nice ride. Maybe I'll get that on video sometimes too, but this is going to be the end of this video. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments. If you didn't like it, let me know in the comments too. Let me know how I can improve all my videos. Constructive criticism is always welcome here. So yeah, guess thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.